Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate how to add a token on Phantom wallet using a contract address. So let's jump right in. First of all, you have to launch the Phantom wallet app on your device. From the home screen, tap the receive button, select the Solana token or network you want to receive. This will automatically copy your wallet address to your clipboard. This will automatically copy your wallet address to your clipboard. You will use this address to receive token or add tokens manually. Let's say you are in a different account and want to send tokens to this wallet using a contract address. So first of all, you have to open your Phantom wallet, add it to your Chrome extension like this, download it for your Chrome extension. Then you have to go tap on it and tap on send it in the sending wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, paste the wallet address, you just copy it from the receiving wallet. Then you have to tap on next, then enter the amount you want to send. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.